Hi folks, Randy with Guarantee here. Today we're going to look at a 2017 pre-owned Jayco Hummingbird in the 17-foot version. Let's go inside and check it out. Now I'm going to have my main man slide in here because I'll take up half the room in there, so I'm going to have him slide in and show us the inside layout. So we have a slide out directly across. It is the kitchen in this model. So refrigeration, microwave, cook stove, sink, etc. all slide out to open up the floor span. This guy's laid out in a certain way. Bed across the front instead of a dinette. So that's a down permanent bed. You can dress it up how you like it. It stays fixed. Then you still are able to have your dinette here for a guest bed or a place to sit and have coffee and breakfast. The reason these things even exist, they're 17 feet long. They're about 2,500 pounds. They're super lightweight and they'll go any place. Single axle. They're 7 feet wide, so they're very narrow, easy to tow. But it has a lot. It has a lot of storage, a lot of cupboard space, TV, movie player. About everything that most things have in it, except they're just downsized. You notice refrigeration's small. You notice the counter stuff, everything's small and lightweight, and it's made to be that way on purpose. Keeps the weight down. This guy has a nice bathroom in. Okay, we have a corner shower, a potty, LED lights, bathroom sink. But that's actually a dry bath, not even a full wet bath. So it's nice to have a dry bath. You can have a separate shower. Boat flooring. Our entryway will have our control panels, our slide out controls, and our awning controls. Easy to reach from here. When you stop, you can run things in and out. Let's check out the outside stuff. It does have the power awning to here, which is nice. The feature between the Jaycos and the R-Pods that we sell, the R-Pods will not have a power awning. They have no way to put an awning on except that manual thing that everybody thinks they want but never uses. It's just too difficult. This allows them the same profile, same weight, same size, but you get a little nicer features, a little different floor plan, and you get a nice easy touch, one-touch power awning, which is nice. Jacks on the corners, our little cargo rack across the back. Put in extra coolers, firewood, or generator, whatever you want, and you can tie it down, which makes it nice. Outside shower, Schwintek slide-out controls. Remember, 17 feet, small, single axle. Aluminum wheels. And across the front, we have an inset pull-down cap with a front rock guard, a single bottle which you can put doubles on if needed. Double batteries can go on. Has a power tongue jack here, and this little guy will have some solar up on the roof as well. There's a little solar collector to charge the batteries. Just a nice, clean, lightweight layout, and you can save a bunch of money on a pre-owned 17 versus a new one. If you want to see this one, come out to Guarantee and see me. Be happy to show it to you. Have a good day.